Hello everyone, welcome to my 2024 Valentine's Day arrangement. Today I'm going to use this tall glass container and it's white color. I chose this container because of this color. This white color is very effective for any flower actually, particularly for today's main flower, gloriosa lily. And today I'm also going to use delphinium and some pink roses. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the asparagus farm. I cleaned up lots of leaves, all the leaves off, and you can see very interesting form here. Very delicate lines and strong lines, and if I put them together, I can create a very interesting mass form. And sometimes you have to use wire to put them together. Now it's very interesting form now. I'm going to add this one into this container. I don't want to put in the center middle. It's a bit boring. Try to make a little bit the side way, a little bit sideways, irregular way. Okay, now I'm happy with the combination between abstract form made by asparagus vines and container. And also, you may notice lots of fine lines inside the container, and those lines will support flowers. So these lines are not just for design, but also it's a function to support flowers to arrange soon. Now I'm happy with this arrangement, position of the abstract form. This asparagus farm, if you look at from the center of the container, one side very much lots of volume, the other side only small portion, and I'm happy with this unbalance. Now I'm going to add today's main flower, beautiful gloriosa lily. And when I see this beautiful red, I couldn't resist. I have to use this as a main flower today. And whenever you use flower material, please cut the base under the water so that flower will last much longer. So this flower is going to look after about this area here. Okay, now gloriosa arranged. Now I'm going to add pink roses. I chose pink roses first of all because this is the traditionally associated with Valentine's Day, and secondly, I chose pink, which is similar to gloriosa color. Strong red and pink, they often work together. I cut the stem under the water and arrange them. Of course, gloriosa leaves allows a higher position in the whole arrangement, and the rose is a really lower section of the arrangement. Don't mix them in terms of heights. Give them different row. Cut the water and find a nice space. Okay. Now I finished arranging the gloriosa lilies and pink roses. And as you can see, there are lots of gaps. I'm going to fill those gaps using delphinium, very delicate colors. It's a bit of contrasting color, but they work beautifully. And try to filling in the gaps. So a little bit lower than main flowers. Of course, in this case, main flowers gloriosa lilies, and a little bit lower, even lower than the roses. All the unnecessary gaps fill it up. By adding this, everything will become one unified form. Delphinium will be a very important job to finish this arrangement. So this is my final product. In this work, two elements are working together harmoniously. One is the abstract form made by asparagus fern. The second element is a mass of flowers. And if you look at the flower section here, all the elements, especially the gloriosa lily, they all have a different heights, very irregular arrangement. And they all form unsymmetrical triangle everywhere. The same applies to roses. Pink roses, they all form unsymmetrical triangle, very irregular arrangement. And those blue delphinium, I chose this delphinium, small delphinium. They're the one bring all the elements together. So that's my 2024 Valentine's Day arrangement. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.